The west too, Ashley.
All right, I want to show you this really quickly. The velocity has really picked up. The couplets really starting to take some shape here on our storm team radar. Here's what we're looking at right in the middle of our screen. This is just outside of Dora, and this storm system is moving very quickly towards Kimberly and Morris. Significant wind right now. The places that need to get to shelter immediately, if you live in the city of Bagley, if you live in Partridge Crossroads, this storm system is approaching the I-65 corridor towards the city of Kimberly. If you know where Sardis Road is, anywhere along Sardis Road, Mount Olive Road, anywhere towards Pritchett Road, get to your safe spot immediately. US Highway 31, which parallels I-65 on the eastern side there outside of Kimberly, get to your safe place all the way up towards Warrior. Make sure that you are putting as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Get to the lowest floor of your building, of your house, and make sure that you are practicing some very safe measures right now, being proactive about the storm system. Again, currently tracking off to the east. Let me go ahead and zoom back out for you just momentarily because this couplet's really impressive right here. I'm just going to track this. This is just for my own personal analysis currently. So as we track these winds, look at this. We're looking at some very significant wind speeds. You kind of add these winds together and we could be looking at wind speeds upwards of 80 miles per hour as this storm system is going to be howling through from Drummond, Bagley, Brent's Crossroads. As I put the debris tracker on there and look at that severe wind, that's very impressive. Look at this debris ball, folks. Wow, this is outside of Mill Creek Estates, Brent's Crossroads. I'm going to leave it here for just a second because this is exactly what I was talking about, what we look for. It looks like a bullseye on the middle of this map, and this debris ball continues to track into the north. This is very important because this means that there is a likelihood this tornado is still on the ground. It is lofting debris into the air. That's the debris that we are picking up on our radar. And we have Griffin Hardy. He's actually panning the skies with our storm team tower cam. This is our BJCC tower cam high atop the BJCC. We can pan downtown Birmingham. We can look east, west, north, south. So what we're doing right now, this is looking back towards that 2059, I should say, kind of interchange. But this is right there on top of the BJCC. And
part of the reason we're not really able to get a good visual on this, the tornadoes today are more than likely going to be rain wrapped. So if there's a warning that's issued, you really need to take shelter regardless of whether or not you see it. It's really important because a lot of the times the rain is going to obscure our visual on the tornado. So regardless, we know there's debris with this tornado, so you definitely need to take shelter, especially if you're in Kimberly or Warrior, northern Jefferson County.
Yeah, and we do have some interference with the top of the building. The way that we have our camera faced is exactly towards the storm, but unfortunately we do have some interference with the top of the BJCC. It's kind of interacting with our visual from here in Birmingham, but that is very impressive, that debris indicator right there. So looking at our severe wind, we are definitely going to be seeing that severe wind outside of Bagley, heading towards I-65 from Kimberly to Morris, all the way up towards Warrior, even Gardendale. I would go ahead and get to your safe place right now because these severe winds are stretching really the length of I-65 from Fultondale, Gardendale, all the way up towards Warrior there in northern Jefferson County. Looking at our storm relative velocity, this is impactful because this is where we're really seeing that spin in the atmosphere. When you see those reds and those greens come together, that's indicative that a tornado is likely on the ground. Important information there. I'm going to zoom out of this picture so that we can actually put a track on here for you. It's important that you know some of those cities that will be impacted by this particular storm system because, of course, we want you to get to your safe spot, but as we zoom out, we can kind of get a better view. But because these storms are moving so quickly, we actually have to have quite a few cities in the frame of our map for us to track this appropriately for you. So there's that center of rotation there kind of outside of Kimberly. And again, these storms are moving at about 60 miles per hour. So if you see your city on the map, I would just go ahead and make your way into the safest part of your home, anywhere from Coaldale, Bent Tree, down towards County Line, Hayden in about 11 minutes. So that's going to be right outside of I-65 there. So just to the east of I-65 are a lot of these spots. So just keep in mind there is going to be quite an active thunderstorm rolling through. And to Griffin's point, these storms are completely rain wrapped. And as I put the reflectivity on here, we can get a much better idea of just how much rain we're talking about. This storm system in particular is producing heavy amounts of rainfall. That's what we see in red. So these are not your typical storms that have just those hook echoes or a bowing feature where it's a very specific indicator on our maps. That's why we have to look at our velocity products. We have to look at the debris signatures so we know where those items are, and we can help bring that information to you a little bit better. So keeping that in mind. And actually, let's flip over to our Birmingham Tower Cam, the one that's at the station. We're kind of looking right now. The rain is starting to pick up on Red Mountain, and so that rainfall is, even though it's light compared to what we're seeing to our north, we're trying to pan the sky just a little bit to see if we see a little bit better viewpoint of what's happening in North Alabama, because Warrior, there we go. So this is our Storm Team Tower Cam high atop our station. Now it's a little bit more elevated. You can see downtown there. So I think we'll establish this as our Birmingham camera for right now, and we'll pan this to the west just a little bit. Well, it's looking north. This is great. This is right where we need it. But you'll see, look at the sky. You see how gray it is? That is all of the rain. We will not be able to see any of these signatures. But what I can tell you right now is this storm system is moving along I-65 from Gardendale to Warrior. Looking at our severe wind product, there is definitely wind associated with this. Our debris tracker, actually this is some welcome news. It looks like our debris, even though there is still a definite debris ball with this, it has broadened out just a little bit. And looking at our storm relative velocity, even our last scan has broadened out. So what that means is now we're starting to see the injection of this gray color in between the red and the green. That means the area of rotation is broadened out and could very well have lifted. We don't know that for sure. We're just taking radar information and passing that along to you. We would still want you to get to your safe place, but I'm telling you, there's nothing you could see. So don't even attempt to go outside and look at this. The rain is going to be falling so heavy, you won't be able to see anything. It'll just get very windy very quickly for you. So from Warrior down to Kimberly, if you live along Highway 31 to Morris there, and then along I-65, make sure that you are getting to that safe spot right now. But again, as mentioned before, it does look like we are going to see some signs of improvement. All right, I want to put our warnings back up just so we can kind of get an idea of who's seeing what warnings and where. But as I mentioned before, I took them off simply because it really doesn't matter right now. We're focused on the areas of rotation. Some of these areas of rotation are spinning up within a thunderstorm where we only have a severe thunderstorm warning. Some of them are continuations from old tornado warnings. So there's a lot going on. So as I zoom out on this map really quick, and if you'll notice in our inset box there, that is our is that our weather tracker? So that's our weather alert unit on Interstate 22. So that is actually that's a good sign. We actually are seeing a little bit of improvement with the rainfall there, so that's good news. But I want to point out too, these warnings go all the way back into Mississippi. We're going to be keeping a watchful eye on this storm moving out of Mississippi. This could return to northern Pickens County here very shortly. Looks like we have a new severe thunderstorm warning that now includes the city of Aniana. So now Blount County is under the risk for some of these severe thunderstorms. Again, keeping a very watchful eye on the storm system moving across I-65 right now. And then as we look at our reflectivity products, so this is all of that heavy rainfall right along I-65 currently. So keep in mind with these particular storms too, we want to talk about things like wind. We want to talk about rain and the hail. All modes of severe weather are possible. We don't want to just focus on the tornado threat, but there are a lot of threats with this, and this is producing quite a bit of rainfall as well. But we can talk about that in just a little while. But let's get back to our severe storm here, because I do want to point out where we are seeing the best chance of rotation with this particular storm. Now the storm is moving towards Warrior. If you live in Warrior, get to your safe spot right now. Get down on the lowest floor, put as many walls between you and the outside. Be safe. If you have to leave a room that has a television, download our app, or if you have our app, pop it on. We're streaming live on your app right now. So if you lose power, don't worry. We'll be on your app. And this storm system, again, is tracking right over I-65 as we speak. So we want to make sure that everyone from Morris, Kimberly, Warrior, Linton, Beltona, get in your safe spot immediately. This includes cities like Crofton, Bradford, Kiowa, Selfville, Cedar Springs, you need to be seeking shelter. Get to the lowest floor of your house right now. And we'll go ahead and send it to the Weather Center with